Hi everyone, and welcome to And So On. My name is Lisa, and today I have a bag to show you and the winners of my giveaway. Okay, I'm back. Thank you so much for everybody who entered the giveaway. There were 166 people who entered the giveaway, and so I want to get into that right away before I show you the latest thing that I've made. So I have the random comment picker right here. I'm going to do it in front of you. I might cut in between, seeing how fast it goes, and edit it together, but we'll see. So there are going to be 12 winners. One winner for the Minerva Crafts 50-pound gift certificate, and then 11 pattern giveaways. So what I'm going to ask you to do, if you are one of the winners of the pattern giveaways, if you can comment below and let me know the 3 possibilities that you would like out of the designers that were featured. And the reason why I want you to do that is I'm going to try to see if I can get everybody one of their top 3 picks, because I want you to be able to actually make these. I don't just want you to get a pattern and maybe it's not your style, or that pattern doesn't happen to be in your size range, etc. So if you are a winner, comment below, let me know you've seen this, tell me the 3 possibilities of which you'd prefer if you have your druthers, and then email me with your email address so that I can get those patterns to you. So I have to say, I was really thrilled with all of the beautiful comments that came with this giveaway. And I'm so glad that I thought of just, asking people to tell me what sewing means to them. There were so many beautiful, touching, funny comments. And I actually encourage you to go back to that video and read through. It's just amazing, the human experience. And I think that sewing is so special. And I was really, really touched to hear everything you guys had to say. All right, so without further ado, let's start with the Minerva Crafts gift certificate. Okay, start raffle, random winner. The winner is Jane1023, Jin1023, who said, "Congratulations, Lisa. Your videos are so warm and awesome. Barcelona is amazing, my most favorite city in the world. Sewing is life, literally. It gives you creative outlet, teaches you precision, and enriches your soul." Love that. Congrats, Jane. Okay, I was going to try and do it live, but it was so slow. I think that you guys, I'm going to just do a video with all of the winners, okay? So I'm going to read them, but you'll see them, the screenshots that you know that I used the random comment picker. Okay, so we have Heather McCormick, Sharon A., Nicola Straw, Laura Longland, Sharon Ann Barrett, Whit Makes, Adrian Clamp, Esther Lee, Christina Wallace, Sarah Schmidt, and Handmade by Ditzy Tulip. Congratulations, you guys. Remember to comment below, let me know which patterns you're interested in getting, and send me an email. Okay, so here's to this week's make. Now, remember last week I told you that I've become part of the Minerva.com blogger team, and I made that cute top with the tie sleeves, and I'll put in a picture here just in case you missed that. So what I wanted to do this week was I wanted to use up some of those scraps. Being here in Spain, I'm starting from scratch with my haul, or with my stash, and I don't want to get sort of trapped beneath a pile of scraps. I really want to find a way to use them. And so this week what I did was I took the scraps from the top. Let me adjust. There we go. And I made this bag. So you'll remember that there was this really beautiful polka dot material and it's French cotton. And then on the inside, I used the contrasting fabric, the gingham. So this is big enough to hold, there's a sweater I'm working on. If you want to know more about that, next video. I'm doing my, my knitting next. But this is about sewing. And the other thing I did was I used the leftover fabric from, or not leftover fabric, but like some scraps from the edges of some beautiful chambray that I have. So I wanted a little bit of a contrast, and I used a video that I found online, and I'll link it for you below. It's a Japanese lady who does a really beautiful tutorial. I did do some step outs on this, and that will be on the Minerva Crafts blog if you want to see closer detail. But I really wanted something big, and what I did was I took the fabric, I actually took the piece that I had cut the body out of, so it had the curve of the arm side and everything like that, and I just took that, and the width of that piece that I had left was the width of this. And then I just added a portion at the bottom and a portion at the top. Now I lined the main fabric. I didn't line the contrast fabric, and now I kind of wish that I did. It's a little more floppy. I don't like bags when they're too stiff because I tend to throw them in my shoulder bag when I'm going out or whatever. But if I had my druthers, I'd probably go back and add some interfacing to the inside of this so that it sits up even a little nicer. And as you can see, I did a tie with the gingham as well. And for that, I didn't do the whole, sewing it and then pulling it through. I actually kind of treated it like bias binding. I folded it in half and then folded in each side and then just sewed right up so that I have kind of a top stitch edge on this. And I learned that from Michelle of Simone's Rose. I saw her do that once on Instagram and I was like, oh, are you making ties? And she said, yeah. She goes, this is so much faster. I was like, yes, it is. So I asked her to measure for me, and I don't know if I went and used her measurement. I think this is just 5 centimeters or 4 centimeters, and I just folded it in. So that's my make this week. It's just something little, but I wanted to share it anyway, and I wanted to give you guys the giveaway winners. I do have some plans coming up. I gotta be honest, I'm getting used to working with a sort of, with a loaner machine. After my Elna, it's really tough to go back to kind of a basic model Singer. Not that there's anything wrong with Singers, it's just, yeah, I'm getting used to it. So I have to just kind of get on the horse and kind of make her do stuff. Because right now I'm still a little tentative because I don't know the machine as well. And I also need to get a better table because this table that I'm on right now is a inexpensive table that we bought just to have something in the space, and it goes like this every time I'm doing the machine, which completely throws off the stitches and everything. So I think even though I love working up here in my taller, I do need to find something a little more stable. So I might end up going downstairs and working on the dining room table. Anyway, that's maybe too much information, but I just want to let you know that's kind of why I haven't been sewing a lot, is because I still haven't found my comfort level with this machine and with the space and like be able to just hunker down. But I'm very excited to get some stuff going. So keep an eye out and it will be coming soon. Okay guys, have a great week. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.